Out here fishing.
What's up?
That's my friend Jesse. This is day 2 in Washington. It's not bad. Really hot, but not bad.
Again, I will tell you, welcome to Washington.
Thanks. Oh, it's found something.
What?
The viewfinder found something in the lake right over there. You know how when it finds something, it kind of tries to find the face?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it was doing.
Is there seriously still too much weight on this damn thing?
Probably. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna catch anything, but still fun.
Still gets us out of the house. Away from day 2 of drama.
Yeah, drama has not even come home yet.
Drama will be home at 6, and then we'll introduce everybody in the world to drama.
As long as your family's okay with me vlogging.
I don't give a fuck.
That's why I didn't do it yesterday. I was like, some people are like iffy. And I'm just like, I don't want to force people onto a camera.
Only person that may not like being on camera is my mom. She does not even like the picture taken.
It's a pretty lake. Or not lake. Yeah, it's a lake.
Kinda.
It's a pond-ish
It goes
lake.
way down that way. I gotta take off more weight.
Alright, just finished fishing. Didn't catch anything because it is hot.
For example, right now it is 92 degrees and we're in this lovely town of PL. You should see my hood sometime.
It's a very pretty town, but
Actually, I'm gonna take you somewhere so you can actually record something. That way you can have an amazing footage clip to show everybody on why they actually like to
stop
come
for some gas. Although the gas prices here are a little outrageous. Come on, oh, there we go. Yeah, it's ridiculous. So how are you all? That was a random question. Okay then. Not warm at all. Wait, that was a lie. It is hot. And I'm in shorts. And flip-flops. Nice little dirt road. So you said something about wanting to show me a house that burnt down in
1891. If it's still here, I can show you. If not, well, I can't believe they clear out the brush from a ancient place that supposedly was the original Blair Witch's house.
do not see this in Utah. I'm sorry. I mean, yeah, I guess if you're up in the mountains, but...
And as for any information that you may have, that's our destination.
We're going to the top of the mountain.
One of the tops. Just so you can get a nice view of the ocean. Only issue is, I think we need to turn around.
This is the road we came up? The car we're in doesn't like the rocks. I mean, we're up, but now we have to turn around. That's gonna be tricky.
Not if the cutoff is still up here. That's the good news. If it's not, well, how do you feel about backing down this? With that next to us.
Wish us luck. Okay. So we've now stopped at a river. Wow. Whee! Smash.
You wouldn't go slash, you were saying you go smash.
Yeah.
Right over here is actually, when it's raining, that stream leading through over the rocks there will actually cover all this, and the water will actually come up to right about the bottom of that. So, good place for trout.
I bet. We decided to take you on a nature hike today, apparently.
I love this. Just love being out in the wilderness. If I had a chance, I would chop down some of these trees right now and build a house. I would live out here.
Talk about city mouse, country mouse. Because I would rather be in the city.
Yeah, you would rather be in a city, but at the same exact time, if you were single, and no offense, neither of us could find something, I'm pretty sure you would rather live out here. Because at least that way, no woman could hurt you.
Yeah, no. So we've been driving for at least half an hour, and we stumbled across, and I know that sounds like the beginning of a horror movie, but we stumbled across some sort of campground slash, I don't know, trail made by humans. Jesse wants me to see the handmade table.
Oh, there's more than a table.
I just hope none of that stuff I just walked through is poison ivy.
Okay. First off, old school handmade twistable table.
Yeah.
However, here's what I wanted to show you.
What the?
There's also a river down here.
Well, that would explain the rushing water we've heard. I mean, to be honest with you, this doesn't look like it's been used in years.
Dude, why would somebody put a roof
On a stump?
Yeah.
Because there's something inside of it? Do not kill yourself, please. What's in there?
A way in.
Do you want to take the camera?
You don't want to follow?
Not
Okay,
in
so
shorts.
this is the type of things you find in Washington, apparently. You go exploring, looking to find the ocean, and you find a custom-built, into a stump, porta potty. What has the world gone to?
So continuing on with our little nature hike all of a sudden. Was not intentionally going for a nature hike today. Because at that point I would have worn boots and pants.
It's right here. This is fucking awesome.
Maybe, do you think it was like a fishing camp type of a thing?
That's what it seems like. That or maybe they were hoping to find gold.
An old gold diggers.
Canning area.
Okay, I don't know if you're leaving footprints, but I just saw some in the mud.
I don't know. Okay, also no one will leave. Look right here on the ground.
Hold on. Let's see if I can do this without killing myself. Yeah, let's get the heck out of here.
Man, it's gorgeous. I'll say that much. That's creepy.
Yeah, not filming that. But we found a nice little river.
The things you don't expect to find when you're searching.
Though we may want to get out of here.
Gotta feel good. Oh, you got no clue. What's confusing me is the river's running this way, right?
Yeah.
And yet water's sucking down into that.
Do they have moonshiners up here?
So it does look like there's a waterfall. You want me to get a snapshot? See, these are the sort of things you can find in Washington without even trying. I know it's not much, it's a small little waterfall, but that view out there is just freaking gorgeous. Like, you could easily set up camp as we showed you earlier. There's the porta potty that I don't recommend using, but you can. Besides the point, just an amazing view. I guess the best thing to say is catch you here in a minute.
That's a baby.
Yeah, it is.
I'm rolling out in this case I brought. No, it's a full grown down.